Welcome back to Key Talk Media. This your host Key Talk. Check it out, man. All right. So as y'all can see, I had to take it back to record the videos like we used to do on day one. Why? Because I'm actually laying in my bed right now and I don't feel like going to my desk. Anyway, so some breaking news actually just hit the internet. Now, I will say the report that's actually circulating right now, the paperwork that's circulating right now, I think it's questionable, but it could be legit as well. It is getting posted on a lot of the blogs right now, but it does look like Trapaholic, Trap the Done, Trapboy Freddy may have to actually go and testify on the defense of the state, or not to the defense, well, on the state's behalf in court. It pretty much a document came out. It says the state of Texas to any sheriff or any constable or any peace officer of the state of Texas, greetings. You are hereby command and summoned. So it looks like this is a summons, which in a way is a subpoena to none other than Trapaholic, Trap the Done, Trapboy Freddy. It says the various more to be and appear before Criminal District Court 7 of Dallas County, Texas, at the courthouse of said county in the city of Dallas on the 3rd day of November 2025. So November 3rd, and obviously we do know that Mo3 trial is actually kicking off. So that's what this seems to be about. It says of 2025 at 8 a.m. Then hereby to testify as witness in behalf of state in a criminal. Actually, I gotta see if I can get it over here because, as you can see, my logo is on the picture, so it makes it a little bit harder to read. So let me see if I can get it over here and see if I can pick it a little more. But anyways, while I'm looking for this to get it correct, to get it to the where I can read it at, I do believe that, this could be another Woody moment where he was like, I do not recall. I plead the fifth and stuff like that. That's more than likely what Trapaholic, Trap the Done, will be able to do. But also, I'm sure he's got some type of lawyers that will assist him on what route and direction he wants to go as well. So here it goes a little better. It says, then and thereby to testify as witness on behalf of the state in a criminal action pending in said court wherein the state of Texas is plaintiff and Brown Devin Maurice defendant cause. So it's saying Brown Dev. Oh, that's that Devin Brown dude. So yeah, the Devin Brown guy is one of the guys that actually allegedly unalived Mo3. So this is definitely about that case right here. And I'm gonna look up more tomorrow, see if I can get any more documents. This is just what I've got right now. That's what's actually circulating. So it does look like he will have to appear on November the 3rd. It says desired and evidence of said criminal action to wit in a certain suit pending in said court. This is out of county, so all that other stuff is just no need to read it. The most important part is the part that says he's pretty much got to go to the courthouse on the 3rd day of November. Now, here's what I'll say about this, right? Yes, it sounds wild because it's obviously a rapper, a trap rapper, that's actually having to attend court. But y'all gotta understand, it doesn't matter how screechy is, it doesn't matter about none of that at all. Whenever the court gives a subpoena, and you have to follow those subpoena rules, or else pretty much you're going to be sanctioned. You're going to be jailed for a long period of time for ignoring any sort of subpoenas or court order rules. Now, when you do have to take the stand or something like that, I'm sure you've got your rights as a person that's getting on the stand or what you have to say, but we don't know how it's going to happen. Right now, it's like I said, it's only July. It's not November yet. I'm sure he'll have legal counsel telling them what to do, but at the same time, I do find it weird that this paper actually is circulating around the internet right now, because I'm thinking like, how in the blue hell did somebody get their hands on this in order to actually circulate it around the internet? Like I said, it is posted on a lot of the blogs right now, but as the days come, maybe Trapaholic, Trap the Done will say something about it. Maybe he won't. Whatever his counsel tells him to do, I'm sure that's what he'll actually be doing. However, if he does have to take the stand, I'm sure they'll ask him a lot of questions. We'll see how that actually goes. Maybe I'll be able to live stream it for y'all if y'all want me to do that. But like I say, it's a little time for that to actually happen. I also do know that the Devin Brown guy is supposed to be having to take the stand or something like that. Somebody somewhere, not saying Trapaholic, Trap the Done, but one of the alleged unalivers of Mo3, I do believe a lot of people are saying that they believe that one of those guys will be pretty much snitching or telling or something like that's going to be going on. The last time the report that came out about any of this situation, they did actually say that they were trying to get the phone records from none other than Yellow Beezy because obviously he's implemented this. They're saying he did the hit, the hire, the murder for hire, but his Yellow Beezy's crew actually, his legality team actually came out and said, hey, we want all the phone records that he actually had whenever he was locked up, in hopes of, I guess, hearing some type of records of the other people involved in the case. For one, to figure out who's snitching. For two, to figure out if there's any evidence of them pretty much clearing Yellow Beezy of any of this. Right now, I always say Yellow Beezy and Trapboy Freddy are like the brothers of destruction, the Undertaker and Kings, The Rock and Stone Cold Steve Austin, and they seem to always got each other back and stay loyal to each other. We will see how this case goes. I'll definitely keep y'all up to date. I'll actually look into this tomorrow as well to get another video for y'all. But anyways, let me know some comment down below. Let me know what you think about this entire ordeal. I'm out.